In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add X, Twitter, credentials to n8n. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so you can drop X nodes into your workflows and start automating. Before we begin, make sure you already have your X developer credentials on hand, such as your client or consumer keys and secrets. Keep them private and never share them in screenshots or comments. Let's start inside n8n. Look to the left-hand pane and open the Personal section, then head into the Credentials tab. This is your central place for managing all the secure connections your workflows will use. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. This tells n8n you're adding a new, reusable authentication profile that any workflow can reference. Next, use the search bar to find the right key X connector. Type X and select either XO Auth API or XO Auth2 API, then click Continue. Choose the option that matches how your X app is configured. If your integration relies on the older OAuth a method, pick XOAuth API. If your app uses the newer OAuth 2.0 approach, pick XOAuth API. Sticking with the method your app supports is important for a smooth handshake and proper permissions. You'll now see a form asking for the credentials required by that authentication method. Enter the requested values carefully, things like a client or consumer key, a client or consumer secret, and, when applicable, access tokens. Copy and paste with care to avoid extra spaces, and double-check each field before saving. Give the credential a clear name so you can recognize it later when you're building workflows. Remember, these details are sensitive. Store them securely and avoid exposing them anywhere outside n8n. If your organization uses environment variables or a secrets manager, align with those practices to keep things tidy and safe. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. The connection is now available for your workflows. To use it, create or open a workflow and add an X node. In the Node's Credentials dropdown, select the credential you just saved. From there, you can configure the node's operation, like posting, retrieving timelines, or managing lists, depending on what your automation needs. If something doesn't connect, revisit the credential fields to confirm there are no typos and that your X app has the right permissions for the actions you're trying to run. And that's all. You've successfully added X credentials to n8n and linked them to your workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!